Hello my beauties and welcome to my makeup channel. This is Michelle if you guys haven't been here before. This is my very soft natural with a pop of color Valentine's Day look. If you guys want to see how I created this, please keep watching. Do the thing below where you like and subscribe, all that jazz. If you guys want to keep seeing my videos, I will keep making them. If you have any requests, please send them my way and I will get the videos out to you. Okay, so we're gonna jump right in. I'm doing a very natural Valentine's Day look today. Usually I do my eyes first and then my skin, so I'm gonna start my skin first. I'm gonna take my Josie Maran oil and just put it on my face to start. And I'm just gonna buff that in. This is a brush from e.l.f. It was probably like $10 or so, but it's actually one of my favorite foundation brushes I've ever used. Next, I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild foundation in Golden Beige. This foundation is matte, but it doesn't look dry. So I really like it. Like, look at the sheen it gives. My eye will not stop watering, so forgive me if I just come in with a paper towel to soak up all the tears. This foundation is originally quite matte, but that's why I put it over the oil so it's a little bit more dewy, because then it gives that beautiful sheen that you see right there. Next, I'm going to go in with my Shape Tape in light medium sand. I don't mind going a little bit heavier with this stuff because I like my coverage under my eyes. I feel like that's my problem area. And I'm just going to take my Beauty Blender to do the under eyes. So I'm going to take my Anastasia Cream Contour Kit and I'm going to use the color Light Sculpt. I'm going to actually use this almost more like a bronzer. These blend flawlessly. It just gives that perfect little amount of bronze without being overboard. Especially with this color being a little bit more on the gray side. I'm going to take a little bit of my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in Fair Light and just pop it. And I'm not going to do that all over the face, mostly just the center, which is usually where people get a little bit oilier. I kind of want to leave that nice sheen on the side. Watery eyes are the worst for makeup. I'm going to take my Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Deep. This color is a little bit more on the warmer side, but since I'm doing a warmer look today, I think it'll look cute. I'm going to take that e.l.f. foundation brush again and just go right over it. I feel like it blends away any harsh edges. If I have any remaining powder, I'm just going to get rid of it there. Next, I'm going to go in with my Mineralized Blush in Warm Soul, also by MAC. This blush, I call it like my secret blush because it's like there but not there. It's so gorgeous. It's in between pink, peach, and nude all in one. I'm just going to use the same angle brush for that. Same thing. And lastly, for my skin, this is my favorite part. I love highlighters. We're going to highlight. I'm going to use MAC's Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Whisper of Guilt using my Morphe M510 brush. This brush, I love it because it's so flexible, so I find it gives like a perfect highlight. It's like a fan brush, but a fluffier version. And that's pretty much our skin to start. Very natural. This is almost like my everyday makeup, like if I'm just running out or whatever. It's very simple. I'm gonna take my Mario Bendezu Rose Water Spray. I just put it in a smaller bottle because I had a really big bottle before and there was only like this much left. I love this stuff. It feels so hydrating. My eye will not stop watering and this is not good. Now, unfortunately for my eyeballs, I'm gonna try, keyword try, to do my eyeshadow. I'm really scared because my eyes are so watery. Luckily, this is a very simple makeup. So I'm gonna use my Amber Times 9 by MAC, and I'm gonna go in with the color Georgia Peach. This is one of my favorite colors. And just build a very soft crease. I love this color because it's like a pinky taupe, almost like a beige. It's so beautiful. I'm going to take the color Cork as well. It's the shade below Georgia Peach. And just pop a little bit of that on the outer corners, just to give a little bit more depth. And I'm using a 217, also by MAC. I'm like afraid to blend this outside corner because once water hits your brush, it just starts leaking everywhere. Pretty. Even if I were to just keep it like this. I'm being dangerous here by touching that outer side. Usually it's this eye that's watering. I'm surprised it's this one. I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of the color Aromatic. It's like a chocolate brown. And then just sweep the remaining. Oh my god. Just at the outer corners. Just kind of pull my eyes out a little bit. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Next, I'm going to take my Dazzle Shadow Liquids in Love Yourself and Everyday Sunshine. And I'm just going to take a 239 brush. I'm going to put on a little bit of Love Yourself first. It's like a very soft. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that Everyday Sunshine. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna put it kind of like right in the middle, like a halo highlight. I'm also gonna put that in my inner corner. Oh goodness me. Goodness gracious, this is beautiful. I love the Everyday Sunshine in an inner corner. It looks so gorgeous and so sparkly. It really just like brings all the light to your eyes. And all the water apparently too. Makeup artist hands are forever looking like you have like 3rd-degree burns on there or something. So now I'm just going to apply my mascara. I'm going to curl my lashes first because my lashes are so straight. So now I'm going to take False Lash Waterproof Mascara by MAC. I always like using a waterproof first, especially if your lashes are more straight like mine. The waterproof actually helps to hold the curl a little bit better. And I find this is actually one of the only mascaras that like doesn't clump up on me. I find sometimes waterproof formulas can be very like tacky. They're a little bit more sticky than regular, but this is amazing. It just gives like a very, very soft. I'm really using the tip of my brush as well to like pick apart my lashes and like saturate. I really want to saturate the base of my lashes while I do this. And I'm just gonna do a second coat with, this is my everyday favorite mascara, Extended Play Giga Black. It is water resistant, but I still find the waterproof holds my curl a little bit better. This is a little bit more for length and separation. Gorgeous. Having a good lash day. My eye is dying to water. I can literally feel it collecting. I can see it. Oh, right here. I don't know why, but that's one of the most bothersome feelings, is having a whole bunch of water just like collected in your eye. Ugh. I'm just gonna add the tiniest little bit of my highlight over top on my brow bone. And a little bit extra over that. So beautiful. To finish off this really cute Valentine's Day look, even though I went very natural on the eyes, I plan to do a little something brighter on the lips. This is one of my favorite colors, even though I'm pretty sure I'm allergic to the pigment in it. I'm still gonna wear it anyways. It's number 91 Indian Ink, either or, from the Sephora brand. It's the most beautiful pink I've ever seen in my life. It's super, super hot pink, super blue base, so I find it makes my teeth look really white, and it's just basically all around the most gorgeous color. I'm just gonna wipe a little bit of the excess foundation on my lips to take out the color, and then I'm just gonna go straight in with this. Can you see? Yeah. Oh my god, my eye again. Like, this is actually the most stunning pink I've ever seen. It's perfect. I curled my hair this morning. Anybody else can like never get their hair the way their hairdresser does. Like, I don't know if it's just me. I feel like my hairdresser does have magic fingers. I'm not sure. But she did these beautiful Hollywood waves on me the other day, and I can't get them back to what they were. I don't know what the what's going on with this piece right here. Whatever, we're just gonna work. So this is the finished look, everybody. This is my natural with a pop of color Valentine's Day look. We have very, very soft on the eyes, very soft skin with that little pop. You can always change the lip if you want it to be a lot softer. A nude lip would look absolutely stunning with this look. So yeah, if you guys like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button or the notification so you can get more videos from me. Yeah, I'm feeling this look. I've been feeling the pinks lately. Yeah, like how cute is this? I can't get over this lip. I can't, even like on camera it looks amazing. I feel like it looks even better in person, to be honest. I want to come closer up so y'all can see this.